Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, I'm really excited to share with you a new business credit builder service where you can add one financial services trade line that reports to Experian Commercial and Equifax Business, and coming soon will be Dun & Bradstreet. So this is by far one of the easiest ways for you to start building business credit for your company. There's no personal credit check, no personal guarantee, and this is going to report as a financial services trade line. So this is the video for you if you want to get listed with Experian and Equifax Business. So let's get started with this video. Now, first and foremost, you hear about us talk about getting trade lines reporting to the business credit bureaus, and there's net 30 accounts. That's one of the easy accounts to get. This is going to report as a financial services trade line, this particular new service, which I'm really excited about. This reports to Experian Commercial and Equifax Business. What's important though is this is an active account that's going to be reporting. So you're going to hear some terms like a new trade line, a regular trade line, or an age trade line. So this is going to be a new trade line that's a financial services reporting, but it's going to become a regular. It's going to report every single month. Now this is more tailored to those of you who are just getting started, because keep in mind, when it comes to business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, you have to have at least 3 trade lines reporting to generate a paydex score, a business credit score. With Equifax, you need a couple of trade lines reporting as well. Experian, to generate a report, you need at least 1 reporting. But to build up a business credit file that's obviously strong, that you have lots of history, you want to have multiple trade lines. Don't just get 3. You want to have 15 or more trade lines reporting. And you want to have a combination of diversity of credit, from financial services trade lines reporting to installment loans to net 30 accounts. You want to have a diverse credit file for the business, okay? So with this particular new business credit builder service, this is no personal credit check. There's no personal guarantee. You could be a startup. You could have no credit history whatsoever. And this is going to report as a financial services trade line. Now, how this works is this was launched by Tillful. Newcreditbuilder.com. Don't go there yet, because I'm going to share with you how to get this particular service, because as you know, I've done videos before. You can watch this on Tillful. Has a secured business credit card where you put a $500 deposit and you get a secured business credit card that reports as a credit card to the business credit bureaus. But many people don't have the $500 if you're a startup and they don't have the security deposit. That particular card, there's no credit check, there's no PG as well. So Tillful is filling another solution for those business owners who may not have the money to get a secured business credit card. And they just launched this service, which is called Credit Builder, Tillful Credit Builder, which is huge. I'm so excited about what Tillful's doing, because they're really working to cater to the business owners out there that are looking to get into the door, building business credit and separating their personal from their business. So the way this works, though, is you go to newcreditbuilder.com. I'm going to share with you a real quick overview, how to sign up, how to get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to sign up for their Tillful score service, and that's free. It doesn't cost you anything. This particular, when you get the credit builder, and I'll share with you how much it costs. It's as little as $20 a month for this service, or up to $50. But this is going to report as a financial services trade line, which I said, and this is going to help you boost your business credit score, especially if, let's say, you only have 2 trade lines reporting with Dun & Bradstreet, and you're missing the 3rd to generate a credit score. This could be that 3rd trade line you need to generate your paydex score. This could be the trade line you need to now start reporting to Experian Commercial and have a credit file open for your company. Or you may not have enough trade lines reporting on Equifax. Okay, so keep in mind, though, what's important is this particular new credit builder service, it reports every single month. So it's going to report as a regular trade on your business credit file. Okay, and I'm going to get into details with that in a minute, because there's age trades, there's regular trades, new trades, and then of course there's the trades that drop off your business credit report, which we don't want that to happen. And I'm going to share with you why that happens sometimes. Okay, so you're going to go to newcreditbuilder.com. And I want to share with you real quick how that's going to work. Is how you get started is you're going to set up your Tillful account. So you're going to go to this website right here, newcreditbuilder.com, and you're going to click on sign up for Tillful, because what you're going to do first is sign up for their service, their free service. You'll see right here, it breaks it down right here. They have Their free service, which is $0 a month, this doesn't report. And then once you sign up for their free service, you're going to want to upgrade to their credit builder service. And they give you a choice to pay anywhere from $20 to $50 a month. Same service, same reporting, but remember, if you pay $20 a month, that $20 is what's going to report every single month. There's no credit limit with this. This is just a financial services trade line. But if you're someone who wants maybe a little bit more reporting than 20, then you're going to pay 50 a month. And they give you that choice. You select how much of amount you want reported, whether it's 20 up to $50. Okay, so if you pay $50 subscription a month, then $50 is going to report every single month as a financial services trade line to Experian Commercial and Equifax Business. If it's $20, then that's the $20. Okay, so that's the difference with that. Really simple. You click. The first thing you're gonna do is click here, sign up for Tillful. You're gonna put in your legal business name, your company address, your city, state, zip code, and keep in mind this information you provide on here is going to be the information that they provide to the business credit bureaus. So you want to make sure you're using your right information here, your business address that you want used to report to the business credit bureaus, etc. But once you create your account, then you're going to upgrade, and it's really simple. So like I said, set up for your Tillful Score account. You're going to upgrade once you're logged in to your Tillful Credit Builder, and you sign up using your same email address for the credit builder. Okay, you're going to select a subscription, like I said, $20, $30, or $50 a monthly plan, and the subscription payments are reported every single month. So on Experian, this is going to show up as a new trade, and the same thing with Equifax Business. But as the second month, third month, fourth month, it's going to now report as a regular trade, because it's the first month there'll be a new trade reporting. The second, third, fourth, as it's reporting every month, it becomes a regular ongoing trade reporting. Now, they do not report if you do decide to cancel your subscription, so you're going to lose that. Eventually, it'll drop off your credit report if it becomes inactive and it's not active reporting. So you don't want to lose that trade line. Okay, so for those of you who say, you know what, I'll buy it 1 month, get a new trade reporting, and I'm all set, and that's a trade. Well, just keep in mind, I'll share with you what, for example, Experian does is if it doesn't actively report, it'll become an age trade, and then eventually it'll drop off as an inactive trade. Okay, so newcreditbuilder.com, that's where you're going to want to go to sign up for this service. But let me kind of go over you what I mean by trade lines. This is not talked about a lot in a lot of videos that are out there, and I wanted to address this because it's really important, because most people say, well, get a couple trade lines, or if you get a business a net 30 account, just make a couple of orders and that's all you need to do and stop ordering and you're all set. Okay, but this is for an Experian reporting system. When you have a new trade line reporting, whether it's financial services, a net 30 account, a bank loan, etc., it becomes a new trade in their classification on your business credit report with Experian. Now, when there's an update within 3 months, so the creditor or lender or the company that's reporting the data to the business credit bureau, if they supply an update to that particular account, then it becomes a regular trade because it's being actively reported on. So if it's reporting within every 3 months, it's a regular trade. If there's no update to that particular trade line within 3 months, it becomes what's called an age trade. That doesn't mean that it's dropped off your credit report. It's just classified as an age trade. That means that there's no regular activity being done on this particular account. Okay, so if you had a net 30 account, for example, and you made a couple of purchases and you stopped purchasing, let's say for 4 months, and so there's no reporting being done, now that net 30 account becomes an age trade. Now, where lenders or maybe banks tend to look at more heavily at is your regular trades. What's the active activity going on the business credit report? So that's where with this particular service, you're going to have a regular trade because it's reporting every single month. All right, so you'll see if there's no trade update for 36 months or 3 years, then that trade falls off the business credit report. If the trade updates again after 3 months or after 36 months, it then becomes a regular trade again. So let's say, for example, you have a net 30 account and you bought one product with them, they reported, and you didn't do anything else, you didn't buy anything for 6 months. Well, remember, after 3 months, that becomes an age trade because no activity. Okay, so now let's say 6 months later you buy something from that same Net30 account and they report that invoice, you paid it. It now becomes a regular trade again. I know this sounds kind of confusing, but just want to kind of make sure you understand a little bit about the benefit of having an ongoing account reporting every single month with activity. Am I telling you you need to buy products and services every single month from Net30 accounts? No. Just be aware, though, the difference between new trades, regular trades, and age trades on your business credit report. Because if you don't have regular trades and all you have are age trades reporting, there's no activity being done in 3 months. When you go apply for new credit, then they may see that, okay? When you're applying for a loan or a line of credit, etc. So that's why I like this particular service, because every month it at least keeps a regular trade reporting on your business credit reports. So you're going to go to newcreditbuilder.com. An important tip is we just talked about the new Tillful credit builder. Go to newcreditbuilder.com. It's either $20, $50 a month. That's a financial services trade. That's going to report an Experian commercial and Equifax. DMB's coming soon. You see me do videos on Tillful secured business credit cards, but let's say you have a Tillful secured business credit card and you want to get another trade. Well, this particular credit builder is going to report as a secondary trade. So this is 2 trade lines you can have, financial services trade lines reporting on your business credit reports. Okay, so that's another benefit. If you happen to already have a secured business credit card with Tillful, you can also get this service and have another reporting trade line. Now, keep in mind, though, is the secured business credit card, that's a $500 credit limit. That's the minimum. So if you got the secured business credit card, you put a $500 deposit, that's going to hold more weight on your business credit report than this Tillful credit builder, because the Tillful credit builder, they only allow you to either subscribe to $20 a month or $30 a month or $50 a month. So that's the only amount that's reporting every single month. So you can see a $500 credit limit holds more weight on your business credit report than a $20 or $30 or $50 a month financial services trade line. So I just want to make sure you're aware of that as well. Okay. Now, if you're looking to scale your access to business credit, you want to get more trade lines reporting than just this one financial services trade line, or let's say you only have 2 or 3, and you want to get 10, 15 trade lines reporting, or you're looking for other strategies to build business credit, with many of them not even requiring your personal credit, then definitely check out our business credit building system. We give you an entire directory of Net30 accounts. There's also charge cards in there, gas cards, many different strategies of reporting your utilities, etc., to the business credit bureaus. So check out businesscreditbuilders.org/business credit. That is our step-by-step business credit building system. Now, if you're looking to scale and get access to other types of funding for your business, like business credit cards that also build your business credit, you don't mind supplying the PG, this is one of our fastest ways to build business credit. Check out our business funding pre-qualification. You can go to businessfundingreview.com, fill out that pre-qual form, upload a copy of your credit report, and that's where we can give you a pre-qual on funding that's available to your business, whether it's loans, lines of credit, business credit cards, etc. And that's a done-for-you service. We actually do the work for you on that second one. Okay, so definitely check that out. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you're always being notified every time we come out with a new video. So with that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.